GoDaddy Email Marketing Honest Review. Worth to use? GoDaddy Email Marketing is an all-in-one platform designed for small to medium-sized businesses looking to engage their audience through email campaigns. With its user-friendly interface and essential features, it promises an easy way to create, send, and analyze emails. It offers various templates, automation tools, and a solid analytics suite, making it accessible for those new to email marketing, but still powerful enough for experienced marketers. The platform is particularly suited for businesses already using GoDaddy for their website hosting, as it integrates seamlessly with their website builder and other GoDaddy tools. One of the standout features is the drag-and-drop email builder, which allows you to design professional-looking emails without needing any coding knowledge. The pre-built templates are customizable, which saves time, especially for businesses on a tight schedule. It also offers advanced personalization, enabling users to tailor their emails to individual recipients based on their behaviors or preferences, boosting engagement rates. The automation tools let you set up welcome series, reminders, or re-engagement campaigns, further saving time and keeping the marketing funnel active even when you're not around. GoDaddy Email Marketing also provides comprehensive analytics, allowing you to track open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber activity, helping you measure the effectiveness of each campaign. The A/B testing feature is another useful tool, giving you insights into what subject lines or content perform best, so you can continuously optimize your strategy. Additionally, the platform's list management capabilities allow for segmenting your audience based on different criteria, improving targeting and reducing the risk of unsubscribes. However, despite its solid features, there are some limitations. The automation options, while helpful, aren't as advanced as what some other platforms offer. Additionally, pricing is slightly on the higher side when compared to alternatives like MailChimp or Constant Contact. This especially for businesses with larger email lists. The lack of an extensive integration library can also be a drawback if you rely on a lot of third-party apps outside the GoDaddy ecosystem. In conclusion, GoDaddy Email Marketing is a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses, especially those already using GoDaddy services. Its ease of use, effective email design tools, and analytics make it a great starting point for email marketing campaigns. However, if you need more advanced features or a more budget-friendly option, there are other platforms out there worth considering.